Did you know that one betrayal changed the course of European history forever? In 9 CE, a Germanic chieftain named Arminius did the impossible. He completely destroyed 3 entire Roman legions in just 3 days. 20,000 elite Roman soldiers were wiped out. Not a single witness survived to tell Rome what happened. But here's the shocking twist. Arminius wasn't just any barbarian warrior. He was a Roman citizen who had served as an officer in the Roman army for years. He knew exactly how Romans fought and used that knowledge to plan the perfect betrayal. Arminius lured the legions into a 6-mile-long death trap in the German forests. The Romans were forced to march single file through narrow paths where they couldn't form their famous battle lines. Germanic warriors picked them off one by one like sitting ducks. The massacre was so complete that archaeologists are still finding Roman armor and weapons in that forest 2,000 years later. This single ambush ended Roman expansion into Germany forever. Those independent Germanic tribes would eventually march on Rome itself, helping bring down the entire empire.